Hi, this is how you can dehydrate apples. They are a fantastic snack. I got these apples. These are Fuji apples. They're my favorite. Fuji apples from Sam's. And a bag of, about 5-pound bag was just under $6. And so I get my Fuji apples. This is McCormick cinnamon sugar. It's fabulous. And then also the Williams and Sonoma cinnamon sugar was really good. Got this as a gift. It's very expensive, but it's excellent stuff. So you've got your apples, your cinnamon sugar, an apple core. This is, I haven't even washed it yet. I just sliced up my apples. Takes the core out of the apples. You don't want to dehydrate the core with the apples because then they won't chew right. You won't like them as much. And then a good sharp knife. There's my favorite Henkel knife. And then I also have a little tub to put all the scraps and things in. Here are my apple cores. If you've never used an apple core before, it'll come out like this in the apple. And pretty easy to do. So there's my setup there. Slice the apples. And then over here is my dehydrator. I've sliced up the apples, made lots of layers of them. See how thin they are? I guess that's about 1/4 of an inch. Anywhere close to there is good. The thicker the apple slices are, the longer they will take to dehydrate. So I've also used a meat slicer to slice the apples. That'll work too. And when I get down to when I've cut the apple a lot and it's hard to make a big slice like that, you can just put the little chip pieces in. There. And the secret to the dehydrating is ventilation. So I overlap mine a little bit, but you just want to always make sure that the air gets through. And see how they all stack up? Like this, that's 2 layers right there. And then here's 1 layer. And what I do is this is the bottom of the dehydrator. Notice there are no holes in the bottom here. I'll put my apples down here first, sprinkle them with cinnamon sugar, then put the second layer on top. Then sprinkle with, put the apples on, and sprinkle with cinnamon sugar, and then you do it layer after layer, and then you are ready to dehydrate. These apples, all of these, this will take about 8 hours, maybe even up to 10 to dehydrate. The thicker your apples are, the longer they will take to dehydrate. But don't worry, it's not like you're going to burn them. It's kind of like cooking with a crock pot. If you leave something in for an hour or two too long, it's no big deal. The longer they are in, the crispier they will be. I leave my dehydrator on while I'm at work or while I'm at sleep. If you do them at night, turn them on at night, and then get up in the morning, your whole house will smell like apples. And they're really good snacks. So the kids love them, we love them. And then also, this is how I store them, and they'll last up to a year. So these are my bags of apples, and these are pears. Pears are fantastic done. And I got 5 pounds of pears for about $6 or $7 at Sam's. They're very good D'Anjou pears. Another thing that's good to dehydrate is kiwi. Kiwi is fantastic. But anyway, they're really easy to do, and you'll love them. So I'm going to plug it in, and I'll come back in about 10 hours, and they'll be done.